Kumba Julai malau snem ke office ni UDSO West Khasi District mentagas ngibalang ke arpausau tarik yayong arjar arpausau. Kelas dang ke school annual sport athletic meet kabanek lai sngi hamadan NONGPATHAR pendengrai. Ya kate ke program lapli da ubak laka dorsim ka Food Mekhalia Police Battalion Headquarters Opian. Haringkat ka jendan lang jong ka balarinas im District Sport Officer West Khasi District. Kini hikai jong ki school ki kena ki bashi mentah ki jing lekai ki baper ki sodar chnong berkipajba anu pekai. Hak tega sngi ubas im ula penheru ekalama bat penmena baik tega jing lekai sports lapli perda.
Today, the 24th of April 2024, I hereby declare the 29th West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 open.
Okay, a big round of applause and thank you so much, sir, for opening this 3 days grand program here at NONGPATHAR.
It is indeed a pleasure for me to stand here this morning as the chief guest of this inter-school district athletics meet. When Kong Siem called me, it was indeed a really happy moment for me to accept her invitation, because I believe that we all can make a difference to the lives of these children. That as police personnel, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities to fulfill. But I made it my mission that I should be here this morning with you, because I remember myself as a schoolboy in the sports meet that I used to take part in school and in college. In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about: faster, higher and stronger. This comes about from practice. This comes about from perseverance. If you look at athletes all over the world, if you look at athletes from the state, if you look at athletes from the district, they embody this spirit. Hardworking, perseverance, and listening to their coaches. Kosim has already talked about how sports reflects on your life too. How life and sports is part and parcel of one basic element. The second part is sportsmanship, as she talked about. Sportsmanship is not only about competing with other competitors, but it's also about competing with yourself. The ability to be better than yourself. Today, I ran 10 seconds. Tomorrow, I should be able to run less than 10 seconds. Today, I jumped 4 feet. Tomorrow, I should be able to jump more than 4 feet. Today, I carried weight of 25 kgs. Tomorrow, I should be stronger and carrying weight of more than 25 kgs. Sportsman spirit and sportsmanship is an integral part of sporting activities and is an integral part of your life. Not only to be better against other competitors, but to be better against yourself, to compete against yourself. The third aspect as sportsmen is that we need to be disciplined, is the need to be the integrity, that is, to be truthful in the way that we practice, to be truthful in the way that we compete, to be truthful in our activities related to sports. This also translates to life, as we have already spoken about. An integral part of our life is also about sportsmanship in life. In life too, we need to embody the motto of faster, higher and stronger. In life, we need to teach ourselves to be faster than what I was yesterday, to be stronger than what I was yesterday, to soar higher than what I was, than how I soared yesterday.
Sports are unquestionably important for students in the even-changing world of today, where academics continue to be the primary focus. Sports become a powerful tool for shaping individuals as a whole by imparting important life skills and healthy lifestyle. Sports and extracurricular activities impart valuable life skills to students. It imparts values such as self-control, determination, devotion, perseverance, and teamwork. Furthermore, rather than concentrating on winning or losing, it is our responsibility as adults to recognize good sportsmanship and acknowledge the students who have the courage to take initiative.